Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful blue and green half-cut crease. So if you'd like to see how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So for this look, I'm going to use two of the new Obsession palettes from Huda Beauty. And I'm first going to start by applying this minty green blue color from the Emerald palette in my crease. And at first it didn't really show up on my eyelid, so I put down a little bit of my favorite concealer as a base, and that made it show up much more pigmented. Next, I'm picking up this bright turquoise eyeshadow from the same palette, and I'm gonna blend this into the crease and the outer corners of my eyes. I was actually surprised by how nice and pigmented the rest of the eyeshadows were, since the first one wasn't really the best, but I know pastel shades like that are kind of hard to make, so that was probably why I had some trouble with that one shade. Then from the Sapphire Obsessions palette, I'm taking this nice cobalt blue eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this one in the crease and outer corners as well. I'm trying to keep this one quite low in the crease area so it doesn't cover up the previous eyeshadows. Now I'm picking up the same concealer I used earlier on a small concealer brush, and I'm going to cut the crease. So I'm following the shape of my natural crease all the way from the inner corner to the outer corners, and then I'm going to pull the concealer down onto the lid as well. Next, I'm taking this kind of baby blue eyeshadow shade, and I'm going to press this onto the lid where I put the concealer, and then I'm also going to apply this into the inner corners of my eyes. Here I'm just taking a little bit of that turquoise shade I used earlier to blend the colors in the outer corners, and then I'm going to use the same shades I used in the crease on my lower lash line. Now I'm adding a little bit of this darker blue shade in the outer corners of my eyes to make it look a little bit darker. And for my waterline, I'm using this Marc Jacobs Gel Eyeliner Crayon in the shade Out of the Blue. Then I'm just gonna finish off the eyes with some mascara and my favorite lashes, Russian Blue from Feline Lashes. Moving on to the face, I'm now going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in the shade Peachy Love on my cheeks. And then I'm going to go in and highlight the high points of my face with the Nabla Cosmetics Pressed Highlighter in the shade Savage. Last but not least, for the lips, I am taking this nude pink lipstick from Marc Jacobs in the shade Sonic Truth, and then I'm just adding a little bit of Nabla's lip liner in the shade Touch Me, and that is it for this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Bye!